very warm welcome to our How To section, in which I'm going to show you how to add a person to your Business Manager account. This is of course important if you want to give access to a friend, a colleague or an analyst to your fan page, to your ad account or an app, so everything that's within the Business Manager. So first of all, it's important to understand that the Business Manager has an umbrella function for your entire business account. Okay, so the Business Manager can include different fan pages, different ad accounts, different apps. Okay, so the cleanest way to give access to a friend, colleague, analyst or whatever is to really create, first of all, a Business Manager account, include all the assets, and then give this person access on Business Manager level. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how to do that. Imagine that you're in the typical Ads Manager interface like this. Okay, where you would need to go is to Business Manager. Okay, and you remember your Business Manager is like an umbrella. Okay, so it includes the ad account, it includes the pages, it can include several ad accounts, several pages. Okay, so once you're here, you need to go to Business Settings. And then here, before we go into the different elements, okay, like the pages, ad account, apps, and so on and so forth, we need to add this person. Okay, so we can add new people, either as an employee or an admin. Well, depends on what sort of person you want to add, but let's imagine you want to add another admin. Okay, for example, with this address. Okay, add a person, and then already in the setup, Facebook asks you to which page you want to add the person and which role you want to give the person. Let's say to this page as a page admin. Okay, and now the important thing, to the ad account, of course, I said again as an ad account admin, and then Facebook also asks you to which catalog. Okay, so if you don't have a catalog created here, you can just skip it, or you can add it again with the role, but let's say we want to skip it, and we're good to go. Okay, so the person has now received an email with the invitation to add this ad account. I also would like to show you what happens then. Okay, so let's imagine you're the other person. The other person receives an email from Facebook, which looks like this. You've given access to this and that account. Okay, and the person needs to click on Get Started. Let's say like Test Patrick. No, that's not the right account. Test Patrick. That's Patrick. And then it loads a little bit. And you see it's already on the right track. And now this new person, you see that's my view as the new person already, has access to this Business Manager account with all the sub elements like ad account and pages. Okay, and as this person was added as an admin, it also can see everything, the full view here. Okay, and you see first there was only one person, and now there's already the second person, which has admin access to this page, admin access to this ad account. We didn't give it an access to the catalog. Okay, and now the cool thing is this person can go to Ads Manager and see everything the way I have seen it with my other account. Okay, and depending on the rights you have granted, the person can now create ads, edit ads, or even adjust budgets. So whatever you want the person to do, depending on the rights you have granted the person. So with a very warm Austrian Dankeschön, I'd like to close this session, and I'm looking forward to the next video. Thank you.